Hello Amazon. I bought this a few months ago, and I would like to tell you that I like so much. I have this in my office and it has many years over there. That's why I bought this to my home. But look at this. I don't know what happened with this. I like it so much, but oh my god, I would like to buy it again. Well, I just want to tell you what is this, what is my item, and I am going to buy it again because the oven is very good, but I don't know what happened with it. If you want me to help me, or I don't know, this is just to make you know what happened with my item, okay? Well, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Oh my god.
Hey guys, here's my BLACK+DECKER toaster oven purchased from Amazon at its default setting. I have it plugged in here, as you can see. I'm going to attempt to heat it up. It doesn't heat up anymore, and it indicates that by not lighting up. So let's see. Okay, minimum, I'm going to put it to 400, and let's just go to bake, and I'm going to set the timer. So the timer actually works, but unfortunately it doesn't heat up anymore, and this is just after 3 months. And I know it's not a broken light indicator as well, because I've already tried to use it after 15 minutes and inside is completely cold. So thank you.
As you can see, brand new toaster oven. Did not come with the actual baking rack to actually put anything on it. It just came with the bread catcher and the little broil pan. There's no grill inside of this thing. There's no rack. I can't use it. Overnighted it, paid the day, same day shipping, paid $70 for this thing. It's supposed to be brand new, but clearly somebody's taking parts out of them and sending them back and then passing them off as new. So this is a 1-star review for me. You guys need to send me either a new toaster oven or just send me the damn grill, because we already threw the box out because we're setting up an apartment here.
extreme heat.
Somebody did say on it's a lot of smoke.
My toaster oven just exploded